Man, I love these birds. I just love how free they are. I love how they fly together. Tell me they're not communicating. Those birds are definitely communicating. Look at it. They all go in one direction, and then they'll switch directions. They're all talking to each other while they fly. Love these birds. Look how free their life is. No wonder people wanted to fly. Hi, baby. Okay, now, I love you, baby. You, oh, I know that, I know that. I'm just going to give you this, and you go on Weedman Hippie on YouTube and hit subscribe. People work too hard. People work way too hard. For what? For money? For money? She's going to devote the time of her life to picking up broken glass? To serving these people? To giving the hours of her life? And now this guy, having to pick it all up. The broken glass. Hi, Devin. You're so beautiful, Devin. Broken glass. That he's got to pick up the broken glass. That people give the hours of their day to a boss to do whatever the boss says just so that you get some money. That's the world people assembled. Earth. Everyone came to Earth with a purpose. It's time for everyone to fulfill their purpose in life. This is my friend. She's a very nice girl. But unfortunately, she's working a job and the boss is telling her to work. So she can't even say hello or talk to anybody. She's got to work for the boss. Gotta give her time, her precious time of her life, to do some bullshit that she don't want to do. For what? Money? Love you, baby. Oh, man. Look how patient they are. Tell me they don't communicate. These birds communicate. Wow. Look how they hover. Hovering is cool. This is why people wanted to fly. This is why the Wright brothers made the airplane. Because that looks like fun.